All right, Ken Range Theory Trader back with you with a live video showing a live trade that I'm in. It doesn't look live, obviously, since this is Trading View and I trade on my phone, but at the same time, I took this long on UJ for a candle 4 out of the CRT model. So let me show the model that I used here. Okay, so I'm basing it on this pattern where we have the range candle, manipulation, and then expansion to the upside. And then if candle 3, this one closes above candle 2, this one, you look for a continuation for the fourth candle. So that's what I use. So if I go to the 4-hour chart on UJ, get rid of this fair value gap. That fair value gap on the 4-hour did not factor into my decision. Let's see. This was the candle low. This was the range candle. Sorry, I'm a little under the weather. But okay, that's the candle range high. So you got candle 1, the range, manipulation, candle 3, this one, make this a little bigger. Okay, candle 3, this one right here closed above candle 2, which is the manipulation right here. So I'm counting on candle 4 to just continue. That's it. So it's 1, 2, 3, and then 4, like that. 1, 2, 3, and then 4, like that. So just a continuation of the price action to the upside. So as far as the entry goes, when I go down to the 5-minute, it's London session trade, so this is 5 a.m. Bring my template up. This is the open price of the 5 a.m. candle, and it retraced into this fair value gap that was made earlier. And I used the expansion of a journal here. Okay, I based it on this. See how this, let me make this bigger. This expansion candle, I based it on this pattern where it retraced into a prior fair value gap and it shot up like that for the next 3 hours. So that's what I'm hoping will happen on these trades here. So even though this was a USA session trade at 925, the pattern's still the same. Timings don't really matter. So I like to see if this price can retrace and then just continue. Okay, so that's why you need to journal your trades or at least have a playbook. I call it a playbook of some basic patterns that you can look for day after day. And I know to get out, if this fair value gap fails here that I'm basing it on, let me go back to the live chart. Whew, sorry. Okay. If this or this fair value gap fails, that'll be my sign to get out. But right now, I got in around here. I got a few entries stacked. So just waiting to see what's going to happen. But this trade has 4 hours to play out. And, if it does, it does. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But it's 5:25. So I always mark the end of the hour just to remind myself, okay, stop trading. And, that'll be this right here at 6 o'clock. So, but I believe I got the best entry possible right here off of this fair value gap. So I'm hoping to see this. And if so, it could be a pretty good payday by about 8:30 because there's news at 8:25 because there's USD news at 8:30. So I want to be out before the news comes out. And that's it. So, but that's the trade right there based off of the two patterns, this one and this one. So I just look and see, okay, if it's happened before, it can happen again. And, but it's still, my odds are still 50-50. People ask about a win rate. There is no win rate. Your odds are 50-50. Okay. Just because this trade played out, just because this trade played out is not a guarantee that this trade will play out. I don't know what price is going to do, but if it goes in the right direction, I'm going to win. If it doesn't, I lose. That's it. You have to accept that. That's just how trading goes. So I appreciate you watching. Thanks for your time and attention. I'll upload a part 2, win or lose, no matter what happens on this trade. But we'll see what happens. So thanks for watching and have a great rest of your day.